and yeah, today I have free time, so I finding snail at field like this, everyone. Wow, the landscape is very blue and it is very green, everyone. I'm so present, yeah. So now find snail with me. Oh my god, a lot of snails. Everyone, a lot of snails. Wow, this place is a lot of snail, everyone. I'm so lucky to meet it. Today I will have yummy food to eat. Wow, this place is a lot of snail, everyone. Oh. Wow, land, everyone. Have you ever placed this land? Yeah, I ever placed this land since I was a child. It really happy like this, everyone. Child in countryside will knows about it. Oh. We find our snail more. Wow, I caught a lot of snail, everyone. So I think it is enough for my food today. So let me go home to show you guys about how to cook it. Clean our snail, everyone. Clean it like this and be careful. Our snail is already clean. This is the ingredient that we take it to boil with our snail. We have castor lamb, chili, kalanga, and also we have lemongrass. Yeah, but we cut just only lemongrass and kalanga. We add just a little bit ingredient, everyone. First we add salt on it, a little bit sugar, add some cheese, add water to boil it. So now while we await our snail to be already cooked, we make chili sauce to eat with our snail. Yeah, first we add our chili and also garlic. Add SMG, sugar, fish sauce, and also lemon. So now our snail is already cooked, so we take it out the fire and eat with chili sauce, everyone. It looks like so yummy. The best. It's really yummy, everyone. Wow. It's so yummy. Eat. Wow. How yummy it is, everyone. The best, everyone. Wow, very yummy. This food we do not spend money, but we have a yummy food, yummy like this. So now I think it is time to say goodbye, everybody. But everybody, please help me to subscribe my channel YouTube to see more video about rules of living like this, everyone. So let me say goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, and thank you for watching my video. Bye.